Test CKP. Testing fuel injector operation on a Toyota Yaris. The owner of a Toyota Yaris complained of rough idle, difficult cold start, and high fuel consumption. To identify the reason for the rough idle, we performed a CKP test. Now we will take a look at results in the Efficiency tab in the CKP software. The graphs show large cylinder efficiency variations. Cylinder number 3 is the least efficient during all engine operating modes except one. The dynamic compression test was equal for all the cylinders. The most likely problem, based on this test, is a lack of fuel delivery in cylinder number 3. A common problem would be a clogged fuel injector in cylinder number 3. The injectors were cleaned and the CKP test was run again. Cleaning the injectors restored normal fuel delivery to all the cylinders, as can be seen in the CKP efficiency graph. Compare the after graph to the before graph.